Hi guys, welcome again for one more video of Mechanics channel. Today I will explain how easy it is to adjust front fog lights on a 2019 Peugeot 3008. Make sure you watch the video till the end, so you don't miss out any detail, important tricks and hints that will help you solve your problems like a pro. For this video we used a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic door trim tool, as well as a headlight focusing machine. To demonstrate how easy to access the adjusting screw is, I just used the plastic tool to remove the fog lamp surround trim, starting from the outside and going to the middle. So, are you liking this video so far? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Now, with the fog light exposed, it's easy to see the adjusting screw, where I used the Phillips screwdriver to adjust it, with the help of the headlight focusing machine. Don't forget to have it leveled. Now you just need to reassemble the fog lamp surround trim and repeat the process in the other side. Hope you enjoyed, learned and fixed your car. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and see you in the next video.